All right, everybody, welcome back. We are on level 6 of lesson 16, keyboard input. This is an assessment level, and you know how I roll. I will read the instructions, we'll look at the code, I will look at the rubric, but I'm not going to actually solve it for you because what kind of assessment would it be if I just gave you the answer? All right, so move in all directions. You can use an if statement with the key down to make a simple game that moves a sprite around the screen. So do this. Add 4 separate if statements that will allow you to move the wing bot move in each direction. All right, so right now we've got, oh, he's cute. We want to add code to move the sprite left when the left arrow is pressed. Add code to move the sprite right when the right arrow is pressed. Add code to move the sprite up when the up arrow is pressed. Add code to move the sprite down when the down arrow is pressed. All right, so that's what you're going to do right here. You don't need to bring any of this in. You only have to follow the comments, and that will lead you to what you need to do. Let's look at the rubric. So, no evidence the program does not detect user input. That means that you didn't change anything here. So we're going to avoid that because obviously you can do better. Limited evidence, the program uses an if statement to detect user input. Okay, so if you have at least one, that gets you this. The sprite, so convincing evidence, the sprite moves in response to multiple arrow keys but may have some errors. So if you can do more than one, if you've got multiple ones going on, great, but maybe not everything is working the way it should. You're going to get that. And then last but not least, extensive evidence, that's the A plus, the 100, that's what we're shooting for. And it says the sprite moves correctly in response to all 4 arrow keys. There are no extra if statements. Extra. So you only need 4, so put 4. All right, well, that's easy. So with that, we've got the rubric, we've got the instructions, we've looked at the code. I'm going to say good luck. I know you can do this. And I can't wait to see you guys succeed. Here we go.